Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Medicare.gov to check eligibility and enroll, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Medicare.gov, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.medicare.gov and press enter. Wait for the home page to load completely. Once the page is open, locate the login button in the top right corner. If you don't have a login, click on the Create an Account link. You will be directed to a new page with account creation instructions. Provide your email address in the required field. Choose a strong password, following the guidelines provided. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Fill out the personal information form with your name, date of birth, and other required details. Ensure all information entered is accurate, as it will help in verifying your identity. Review the privacy policy and terms of service. Agree to the terms by checking the applicable box. Click the Submit button to create your account. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation link. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Medicare.gov homepage and click on the Login button again. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Eligibility section. Fill out the requested information to check your Medicare eligibility. Submit your information to view your eligibility status. If you are eligible, follow the prompts to begin the enrollment process. Review the different Medicare plans available to you. Select the plan that best fits your healthcare needs. Complete the enrollment form with necessary information. Double-check all entered details for accuracy. Submit the enrollment form once everything is confirmed. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your enrollment status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.